everyone, me and the fish would like you to know that the next collaboration between all the crafty YouTubers is going to be on the 14th of December. That's a Saturday, of course. So if anybody would like their video to be involved in that collaboration, then the theme is just Christmas, nothing more complicated than that. Whatever your craft is, if you're making a video about a Christmas make of some sort, then you're welcome to join in, whether your channel is big, small, or even brand new. Not a problem at all. The more the merrier. Now, all the information you need is coming up on the screen here. So do make a note of all this, although I will put it in the video description as well. I'll need the video to me, or rather the link for it, to me in the days leading up to the 14th of December. They basically just need to go live by 9 PM UK time on the 14th of December, no sooner. So no videos going live on the 13th or whatever. Okay, and we'll try and accommodate different time zones and so on. But if they all go live at the same point on the same day, roughly, then that's where we'll all get the best impact. So everyone, that's the information you need. It's all on the screen here for you and down in the video description. Drop me an email or find me on Discord and just give me your link. Don't forget to, in the video, also please mention that it is part of the collaboration and encourage people to go and watch the rest of the group's videos too. That would be great. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing all your videos. Merry Christmas, everyone.